Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you understood A part. Now we will move on to the next part, that is B part, significance of the passage. Everything is just the same. For example, marks are the same like main theme. 2 marks are allocated for significance, and time limit is the same. You have to finish this B part within 7 to 8 minutes, and the line limit is the same. You have to finish this within 10 to 12 lines, but the way of answering this question is totally different. Unlike A part, you will describe the changes in your own lives. For example, if you believe in the main theme of the passage, and your answer will be about the same keywords, but the way is totally different. For example, if you know or if you believe in Allah as the only Lord, so it will help us to lead a righteous life. We will not commit bad deeds, we will not commit shirk, because we know our only Lord is watching over us, and he will ask us for accountability. Okay? It strengthens our faith in the oneness and unity of Allah. Muslims must avoid all forms of shirk in his life, like considering anyone equal to Allah or as his assistant or associate. Firstly, it gives us evidence to decline the pantheist belief about God, who say God is in everything. Quran strongly rejects this opinion, and Quran says his are all things, or everything belongs to the Almighty Allah. We analyze that he is not everything, rather everything is his. Okay. Secondly, learning about his unity makes us realize that Allah is the only God, thus we submit ourselves to him alone. Now this is very much important. Thus we submit ourselves to him alone. This line is telling you what changes you feel after you believe in the main theme of the passage. Hazrat Ali was told by the Holy Prophet, Quran is the great word, and Surah Baqarah is the leader of the Quran, and Ayat al-Kursi is the leader of Surah Baqarah. Thirdly, the term al-Qayyum in this passage helps us to realize the incomparable power of Allah. It says, he is independent and limitless to time and space. We get to learn that unlike us, Allah is perfect in his life because he never dies, and Allah is also perfect in activities as he never slows down in working, nor does he grow tired like us. So we ask him alone for any guidance and depend on him for everything. Lastly, we analyze the power of Allah and the extension of his throne, that is the symbol of power, and it gives us all humans the idea that they should turn to Allah alone in adversity. Adversity means bad times, and prosperity, your good times, both, rather than turning to any worldly throne or designation. It means we will be dependent only on Allah Almighty. Moreover, we also learn that his support and decisions are the most absolute ones, which neither can be challenged nor changed. It means Allah's planning is the best. Okay? Whatever he does is for our good. That is why we remain optimistic in every situation and ask him for his mercy. We do not go in pessimism. Pessimism is hopelessness. So we Muslims remain optimistic because we have belief in Allah Almighty that whatever he plans is for our good or in our best interest. Holy Prophet ﷺ explained the importance of Ayatul Kursi in the following words. Whoever reads Ayatul Kursi after every obligatory prayer, nothing prevents him from entering paradise except death. It means only death is the hindrance between the person and the paradise. Once he dies, then he will definitely enter to the paradise if he recited Ayatul Kursi is in his this world during his life. Okay. Now, I hope you are clear for the significance as well. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment box, and you can please hit the like button and subscribe it and share it with your fellows. Inshallah, in our next lesson, we will start Surah now. Thank you so much.